Then again I'm wearing one more sweater. So please kids, again I'm asking you, keep yourself completely covered with lot of warm clothes, clear, and eat lot of healthy proper food so that you can develop your immunity. Okay? And one more thing I asked you can do to develop your immunity. What is that? Do your yoga every day, and this is why we are sharing yoga videos. So do your yoga every day. Okay? Great. So class, now it's time to begin with our today's classes. But first let's have a quick warm up. Rub your hands fast, fast, fast. No, don't sit in your blankets. Just sit on your chair and table. Rub your palms and wow. Okay? Great. So let's begin with our classes. So today is 26th November 2020. Can anyone tell me what is the day today? Today is Thursday. Great. Okay. So what are we going to do today? Something really very interesting. Now, ma'am is going to show you a very beautiful thing today. जो हम हमेशा दूर से देखते हैं, ट्री के ऊपर रखा होता है. But today ma'am is going to show you like this. You want to see that? But you have to promise me कि after watching it, after you see it, you have to tell me the name. What is that? Okay? So, I have a really very beautiful home of a bird. So, where a bird lives? Now, can you tell me what is this? It's a beautiful nest having some eggs in it. See? Isn't it? What is this? It's a nest. Yes, what is this? A beautiful nest. Now, I tell you one thing. मैम ने आपको क्या सिखाया है? हमें कभी किसी का घर खराब नहीं करना चाहिए, बर्ड्स के हाउस को तोड़ते नहीं है ना? Then let me tell you one thing dear, ये मैम ने खुद बनाया है. Okay? So it is not any bird's nest. मैम ने ये different जो ये देखो सूखी लकड़ी होती है and twigs, ये तिनके सूखी dry grass है, ये इनको कलेक्ट करके मैम ने ये बनाया है. And this is, what is this? I tell you, it's in the shape of egg, but it is your Kinder Joy. Kinder Joy खाते हो ना आप सब? So this is your Kinder Joy actually. So what I have done, I have made it just to show you all. मैम ने आपको दिखाने के लिए बनाया था. This is where a bird live, and this is how they make their nest. See? इस तरह से बनाते हैं वो लोग अपने नेस्ट को. अंदर देखो इसमें, can you see? Okay, I'll take it out. So all these are Kinder Joys. They are not real eggs. Okay, these are Kinder Joy. So देखो मैम ने इस तरह से सारी जो ड्राई ग्रास और ट्विग्स थे उनको एक के अंदर एक डाल के, and I have made it something like this. Okay, now this is all about a nest. Now when we are talking about nest, can you tell me? Sorry, एक egg गिर गया. I mean Kinder Joy गिर गया था. Okay, so when we are talking about nest, can you tell me which alphabet comes to your mind? कौन सा alphabet आपके mind में आता है? When we are talking about nest, so nest का जो beginning alphabet है, जो starting alphabet है, वो कौन सा है? I have told you when we were learning about different alphabets. I told you. So which is the first alphabet when we are talking about nest? Yes, alphabet N. Very good. So N says nest, isn't it? And how we have learned to write this N? Can you tell me? First we wrote a standing line. Standing line बनाई थी हमने. Then one slanting line, and from this only we did one more standing line upward. Isn't it? So this is how we learned how to write N. The capital letter N, or you can say the uppercase N. Isn't it? Is it visible now? I have darkened it up. Okay, so this is letter N. Now, when we are talking about letter N, Can you tell me some more objects or pictures related to letter pen? आप सोचो, by the time I'll read some paper for me. Okay? So I have a very nice paper and I'm reading it. ठीक है, ये पेपर ये वही है जो मॉर्निंग में पापा टी के साथ या दादू when they have their tea ना they read it. So ma'am is also reading this. Okay? आप सोचो जल्दी से n से और क्या होता है? Okay. I'm reading it. So you please tell me something fast. You got something? So I tell you, what is this? Morning में जब पापा, दादी, दादू or anyone elder at home, they take their tea. They prefer taking this. Daily morning में भैया आते and he fold it like this. ऐसे वो fold करते and throw करके जाते. So what is this? It's a newspaper. Yes, newspaper. Now see, this newspaper, when you are talking about this newspaper, this also begins with N. Yes, this begins with N. So I write you that word here. So I'll write it here. Okay, newspaper. Newspaper. Now what is this newspaper? आपने कभी देखा है? आपने कभी पूछा पापा से या मम्मा से, मम्मा व्हाट इज दिस? ये क्या है? क्या होता है इसमें? इतना सब कुछ लिखा होता है. व्हाट इज दिस? बेसिकली आई एक्सप्लेन यू. देखो इसके नेम में इसका मीनिंग लिखा है. फर्स्ट सी इट्स अ पेपर. पेपर का मतलब आपको पता है? ठीक है? एंड द वर्ड न्यूज़पेपर. व्हाट इज न्यूज? न्यूज का मतलब होता है हमारे कंट्री में, वर्ल्ड में, पूरी जगह, पूरे अर्थ पे कहां पे क्या हो रहा है उसका इंफॉर्मेशन मिलता है. लाइक सी यू आर सिटिंग एट योर होम. आपको ये पता है आपके घर पे क्या हो रहा है. यू नो व्हाट इज गोइंग इन योर सराउंडिंग्स. बट क्या आपको पता है दिल्ली में क्या हो रहा है? नो. सो व्हाट इज हैपनिंग इन दिल्ली यू विल कम टू नो विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस न्यूज़पेपर. क्लियर? सो वन वी हैव लर्न्ड N is having nest. Isn't it? One we have learned N, nest. Then we have learned N, newspaper. So I have written newspaper. Now this is our nest. I'll write that nest also. Like this. Okay. Now after that what you have to do? You have to identify all these pictures. See, this is the newspaper I made. Times of India. So there are different type of newspaper we have in English and in Hindi. Clear? So one is this now. Now there are a lot of the things I have drawn on the board. तो अब आपको क्या करना है? You have to identify all these pictures and tell their name. Clear? So इतना तो हमें समझ आया that this is letter N. So we have nest from N. We have newspaper from N. Now if you will read all these pictures, you will find that there is something similar in them. तो हमें पहले वो सिमिलैरिटी का पता करना है. First we'll find out what is something that's similarity. That's something similar. वो क्या है similar? And then I'll tell you what are we going to learn today. Okay? So now, can you tell me what is this? Yes? Now when we are going out in the market, everyone wears here. I mean mama, dadi, or if you have an elder sister, even I, when I go out for parties, I love wearing different designs, glittering out. What is that? Necklace. Yes, what is it? It's a necklace. So I'll write that. Now, yes, you all are aware about this also. क्या होता है ये? And why, how we use it? Why we use it? It's a net. Now we have different uses of this net, and according to the uses, we have different shapes. One we have fish catching net, जिससे हम fish को catch करते हैं. Then we have a net from which we stain the things like tea, soup. तो वो भी एक net से stain करते हैं. Clear? So this is a net. Okay, I'll write capital here. So again, it's a net. Now, newspaper, we have already learned that. Now, what is this? Yes, wherever it happens कि आपका कोई wooden furniture break हो जाता है, broke हो जाता है या whatever, तो हम क्या करते हैं? We use them ऐसे डाल के हैमर से हम उसको बाबा हिट करते हैं and the things they get attached to each other. It can be used by cobblers also to mend your shoe. Then carpenters they use it. Can anyone tell me what is this? Even we use this to hang things on wall. जैसे ये board है. Now this board is hanging on the wall. ये wall पे कैसे hang कर रहा है? We have used this. So what is it? It's a nail. इसको हम हिंदी में क्या कहते हैं? कील. आपने बड़ी की मात्रा का शब्द सीखा है ना, कील. So this is that, and we call it nail. What we call it? Nails. So I'll write that here. Now, next we have something that we eat with our sweet dish. हलवे में भी डालती है मम्मा. And we like to eat. And yes, morning में मम्मा ये soak करके देते हैं. So all together we call them nuts. We have cashews, almonds, then we have walnuts, groundnuts, isn't it? So all together what we call them? Nuts. So I'll write that. Nuts. Now, so cold हो रहा है, मैम को भी हो रहा है. जब cold होता है what we do? So which organ actually you are understanding कि हमें cold हो गया? When we have something going here. So what is this? It's a nose. Yes. Which organ is this? Nose. अच्छा, can anyone tell me why we need this? हम इसकी जरूरत क्यों होती है? What we do with this? हाँ? मम्मा खुशबू आ रही है. आपने आज क्या बनाया है? मम्मा आपने चॉकलेट केक बनाया ना, मेरे को खुशबू आ गई. So from where you get that? कैसे पता लगता है? With the help of this cute little nose. Yes. So nose. Now when we are talking nose, again this is something that begins with N. Okay, what is this? Which mama use when she needs to stitch clothes. Clothes को stitch करने के लिए use करती है मम्मा. So can you tell me what is this? Needle. हम इसको क्या कहते हैं? Needle. In Hindi you call it सुई, but when we use it in English we call it needle. So needle. Clear? Okay. Who all likes to eat Maggi? Everyone. Even I like. So Maggi का जो what we call that, वो जो होते हैं Maggi तो उस प्रोडक्ट का नाम है. उसके अंदर क्या निकलता है? Tell me. वो long strings होते हैं and we enjoy eating that. What we call that? Noodles. Yes, chow mein is also a noodle. Maggi is also a noodle, isn't it? So what we call it? Noodles. So again, noodles. Now, after we have understood all the pictures that I have drawn here, those are needle, noodles, nose, nuts, newspaper, nails, net, necklace, nest. What we have in common here? Can you tell me? मैम ने बताया था ना कुछ common मिलेगा, similar मिलेगा. Can you tell me what is similar here? Yes, anyone? Can anyone tell me? N. Okay, I have written this small. Okay. Again N. ठीक है? Here I have N. So that means we have revised about those objects that begins with alphabet N. Very good. So now again listen carefully. Repeatedly हम इनको बोलेंगे and then we will understand the sound. ठीक है? अब हमें क्या करना है? हमने ये तो पता कर लिया कि हमने क्या पढ़ा. We have learnt about alphabet N. और you can say we have revised about alphabet N. क्योंकि N तो आपको सिखा दिया था मैम ने. ये वाला, isn't it? So today we are understanding the sound first. Clear? So what is the sound of alphabet N? Can you tell me? Now when we have nest, then we have necklace, net, nails, newspaper, nuts, nose, noodles, needle, your ear. Yes? Can you tell me that? Nurse. So can you tell me who is a nurse? The one who helps a doctor. आप कभी hospital जाते हैं, so you will find there is a didi or you can say auntie who is wearing a white color dress and she is always helping doctor in the work. So to her we call nurse. Nurse. Now when we are talking about all these things and we are saying their name, तो वो जो first sound, what is that first sound coming out of our mouth? Can you tell me that? It's N. Yes, the sound that is coming out is N. N, nose. N, nuts. N, noodles. N, needle. N, newspaper. N, nest. Isn't it? So, the sound of alphabet N is N. Now, we will learn how to write this alphabet in the cursive format. So, cursive format mein, in the previous class, I have told you how to write alphabet M. Isn't it? Now, the sound of M is M and the sound of N is N. N. Name. Nest. ठीक है? So, M और N में ज़्यादा difference नहीं होता. There is not a lot of difference in M and N. When we write these alphabets, हमने जब M लिखा था, I told you 1, 2, 3 and 10. हमने ऐसे M सीखा था कि हमें उसकी 3 lines बनानी है और यहाँ पे हमें tail देना है उसको. So something similar we have for N also, but there is only a small change in it. That is how we are going to write. See, 1, 2 and 10. M में हमने जो 3 lines लगाई थी, वो N में हम सिर्फ 2 लगाते हैं. Sorry, N में हम कितनी लगाते हैं? 2 लगाते हैं. Clear? 1, 2 and a tail. Let's see once again. 1, 2, tail. 1, 2 and a tail. 1, 2 and a tail. Understood? इतना ही फर्क है M में और N में. For M we are making 3 legs. For N you have to make only 2 legs and जो second वाली leg है उसको tail देना है. Is that clear to all of you? Great. Now let's see how we are going to do our work in notebook today. Okay class? So for this open your notebook and book. So open your book on page number 39 and 40. So book page number 39 and 40 is your today's class book. Clear? And your today's homework will be, you have to write alphabet N, cursive alphabet N or lowercase alphabet N in notebook. How we are going to do that? I'll just show you. Okay, beta? So class, now let's see how we are going to do our today's work in notebook. Okay? So what you have to do, open your English notebooks and on the fresh page, you have to write today's date. So what is the date today? 26th November 2020. So this is our today's date and mention HW like this. Clear? Then we are going to start our work. N says no. No necklace. No nest. No nuts. So you can draw these pictures or any other picture of your choice as I have always told you. ठीक है? Picture draw करना है and after drawing the picture what you will do? You are going to color them beautifully. Clear? Color भी करना है उसमें अच्छा अच्छा सुंदर सुंदर. Okay class? Now after that we will see how to write this alphabet in notebook. Now as I told you it is something similar like M, but जैसे in M we have 3 legs but in N we have only 2. So we'll start from here. 1, 2 and a small tail like this. Then again 1, 2 like this. Now both these legs you have to make only in between these two blue lines. ठीक है? So like this you are going to write your alphabet N. Is that clear to everyone? See here. 1, 2 like this. Understood? So this is how you are going to do, and you have to write for the whole page N. Now coming towards your practice work which you are going to do tomorrow. So tomorrow is 27th. It will be 27. So we are going to write tomorrow's date only, and after that again you will write HW. And tomorrow you are going to practice writing alphabets A to N. How? Just see that. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, like this. Then we have I, J, K, L, M, N. Clear? So like this you are going to do your work, your practice tomorrow. I hope it's clear. So this is your today's homework of writing alphabet N in the cursive format in your notebook. And then tomorrow you are going to practice A to N like this. Understood all? So class, I hope you have enjoyed your today's session in which we have learned. Now I am going to tell you what we have done, in which we have learned how to write cursive letter N, isn't it? So we have learned to write cursive letter N, and the sound of this letter is no. What is the sound? No. Needle. Nose, noodles, newspaper, nest, necklace, then again neck, necklace to hai, neck, so this is a body part we have, neck, nose, so these are different body parts. Now one nails is keel, we have this also as our nail, which I always ask you, trim your nail, trim your nail. So what is that nail? हम इनको भी क्या कहते हैं? We call them nails. Clear? So now it's time for you to